go through a couple neck stretches. So to loosen up the upper trapezius, the levator scapula, muscles that can become tight and can play a little bit of a power game with your rotator cuff. So we're going to drop one hand behind you, and you're going to look over towards that same hip. The other hand at the top of the ear, just grazing the top of the ear, and then you're going to take the ear off to the side. So being mindful of your breath, you want to imagine that you're creating some separation from the ear all the way down to the top of the shoulder. And then if it's too much of a stretch with that arm behind you, you can always bring that arm just in front. So it might just be enough of a stretch for you without the arm behind you. Bringing the arm back behind you is going to give a little bit more of a pull. Now if you are having some shoulder pain, either with this one or this one, then having the arm behind might not be an option. Having this hand up might not be an option. So you can always just have the arms down and then take the head into the position. And then when you're ready, after about 5 breath cycles, easing back out of it, and then of course going to the other side. So that's your upper trapezius stretch. For the levator scapula stretch, you're going to take that arm in that position, giving yourself a little pat on the back. Now this time you're going to look the opposite direction. Take the hand right on the crown of the head and very gently bringing it forward. So being mindful here of your posture as well, your breath. And again, if it's too much to have the arms in this position for someone who is in shoulder pain, you can always have the hands just down by your sides and doing the same thing. Or maybe you can take it with the opposite hand, just very gently guiding it forward. It's just a guiding force up here, nothing forceful. And of course taking your 5 breath cycles and then coming out easily. And of course we'll take it to the other side, always to be balanced. Okay. About 5 breath cycles there, and then you've done your levator scapula.